4X car. That lap traffic could play a bit of something, a rollout here as the white flag comes out. He's got to work around the outside of base fluid. Caught it down low. Leary's over. Red flag coming out. Out of turn number 4 to the white flag. And C.J. Leary looks like he's going to talk to Robert Blue now. I didn't see what happened there. I'll be blatantly honest with you. But 77, I know, flipping onto the front chute. And that's a drop kick. C.J. Leary's not quite as polite as Brady Bacon was.
Races he has entered.
Chris Madden, 23rd after round 1. Here we go at the Racing for Hero Start Zone. Summit Racing Equipment, number 2, round 2. Well, the Lucas Oil label on that series and Madden. Oh, man, hard contact and Madden. Big trouble at turn 2. Wow. Man. John Anderson, Dusty Leonard, Tyler Bruning, and Chris Madden all in
the win. Transfers, low contact between Raymer and Dietrich, and Raymer is upside down. They work their way down the backstretch. Dietrich, a quick peek to the inside. Contact between the front of Dietrich's 48 and the back of Raymer's number 8 sends Raymer flipping side over side. And Fred Raymer has a few words for Dan. And now there's a conflict down in the pit area. We've got a conflict in the pits between Fred Raymer and Danny Dietrich. Things getting wild in the pit area after the dramatic conclusion of heat race number 3 here at Williams Grove Speedway.
He'll go high. Joe B. Miller follows him to the high side. 3 car lengths separate him down the backstretch. Courtney stumbles. Joe B. Miller's right there. Final 2 left-hand turns. Courtney to the bottom. Joe B. Miller to the inside. Up for turn number 4. Side by side. Tyler Courtney by half a car. Wow! Lake Ozark Speedway, take a bow.
Out of Sun City, Arizona, Lifestyle Homes, Griffin's Propane, Pro Source. No. Well, biscuits. Man, just that quick. Holmes replay coming up here on Floracing, and boy, just got light getting into the corner and snap rolled. Unfortunately, did land on the top of the cage there as it was going over. I'm sure it jarred him around pretty good. It's now Kevin Thomas Jr., 15K car going on the clock. You're defending Indiana Sprint Week champ at BGE Dougherty Motorsports. Oh, no! Are you kidding me? Altoz, Schaefer's Oil, Hornbeck Concrete, sponsors on the 15K. He's already coming up out of that race car, and he is not going to be a happy camper. Give him a round of applause for encouragement.